Okay guys, we're going to continue practicing to subtract within 1000 using models and drawings and our strategies based on place value. And we're going to relate it to our written method. Alright, so we are working on 3-digit numbers, and we have been working on what happens when you have to go next door from the tens place to the hundreds place to grab a group of 100 and break it into 10 tens. Okay, so we've been learning that as well this week. So yesterday you did some practice and homework page 437. It was lesson 6.8. All right, so get that page back out. Let's go over your answers. And I've got mine moved up really close to it. 1 through 4 you did. The word problems at the bottom you did not. We skipped those. All right, so let's look at your answers. So we had 727 minus 256. Start on the right. 7 minus 6 is 1 because our big number's on top. There's no need to stop. Then we go to our tens place. 2 minus 5. I can't do that. There's more on the floor. There's more on the floor. We go next door and grab 10 more. So I took a group from 7 and made it 6. And then I moved my 10 tens over. Now 2 plus 10 is 12. Then I can subtract. 12 minus 5 is 7. And then my hundreds place. 6 minus 2 is 4. 471. Number 2, 967 minus 153. I started on the right. My big number is at the top, so I don't have to stop. 7 minus 3 is 4. In the tens, 6 minus 5. I don't have to stop. Is 1. And then in my hundreds place, 9 minus 1 is 8. Number 3, 639 minus 472. Start on the right. 9 minus 2 is 7. That's because my big number was on top. The next one, in the tens place, 3 minus 7. I can't do that because I have more on the floor. I had to go next door and grab 10 more. That changes it to 5 tens. Add a group of 10 tens next door. 3 plus 10 is 13. Then I can subtract. 13 minus 7 is 6. And in the hundreds place, 5 minus 4 is 1. 167. Number 4. 448 minus 363. Start on the right. 8 minus 3 is 5. 4 minus 6. I can't do it because I have more on the floor. So I have to go next door and grab 10 more. So I take away a group of 10. I have 3 now. I add those 10 back. 4 plus 10 is 14. 14 minus 6 equals 8. And then in my hundreds place, 3 minus 3 leaves me 0. And I don't have to put a 0 in that spot. My answer is 85. All right, turn it over. On the back, what is the difference? Review problems. 538 minus 135. 8 minus 5. No need to stop. My big number's on top. equals 3. In the tens place, 3 minus 3 is 0. In the hundreds place, 5 minus 1 is 4. 403. Number 2, what is the difference? 218 minus 126. 8 minus 6 is 2. 1 minus 2, can't do it. I have more on the floor. So I go next door and grab 10 more. I bring them back. 1 plus 10 is 11. Now I can subtract. 11 minus 2 is 9. And then 1 minus 1 is 0, and we don't have to put our 0 there. 92. All right, spiral review. So this is review. 52 minus 15. We cannot write it horizontal or side to side. I have to line it up. 52 minus 15. Start on the right. 2 minus 5. We can't do it because I have more on the floor. So I have to go next door and grab 10 more. So I change my 5 to a 4. And add 10 to my 2. 2 plus 10 is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 4 minus 1 is 3. 37. Wallace has 8 crayons and Alma has 7. How many do they have together? 8 plus 7, when we count on, is 15. 15 crayons. 47 plus 26. Start on the right. 7 plus 6 is 13. That's 1 10 and 3 ones. Then we add in our tens place. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Miss Lynn's class read 392 books in February. Mr. Hook's class read 173 books. How many more books did Miss Lynn's class read? 392 minus 173. Start on the right. 2 minus 3. My big number is on the floor. Go next door and grab 10 more. 9 minus 1 is 8. Add it back. 2 plus 10 is 12. Now we subtract. 12 minus 3 is 9. Tens place. 8 minus 7 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 219. All right, when you're ready, turn the page. We're going to find out today how do you know when to regroup in subtraction? We're going to figure out what happens when you need to regroup in any place. When do you need to regroup in the tens or the hundreds? Or maybe both places. All right, sometimes we need to use our mental math skills. So let's look at what we know about math and our mental math to help us solve these problems. All right, 50 minus 20. How could we solve it? All right, we know we're going to bring down the 0. 5 minus 2. 4, 3, 30. All right, 600 minus 400. What are we going to do? Bring down our 2 zeros, and then 6 minus 4. All right, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 200. 80 minus 30. what will we do? Bring down our 0. Count back 3. 8, 7, 6, 5. All right, 900 minus 300. Move your 0, 0 down. 9 minus 3, count back. All right, 9, 8, 7, 6. 600. 90 minus 40. Bring your 0. All right, 9, count back 4. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 50. 700 minus 500. All right, our 2 zeros. Hundreds place, tens place. All right, 700, 600, 500, 400, 300, 200. 70 minus 60. 1 0. All right, count back. 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. 800 minus 300. All right, 2 zeros as placeholders. 800, 700, 600, 500. All right, that's how we do it. So we can bring the zeros down to help us. All right, turn it over. Sometimes you will regroup more than once in subtraction. 725 minus 349. All right, first we regroup 2 10s, 5 1s as 1 10, 15 1s. Subtract the 1s. All right, so when you look, 5 minus 9, can you do it? No, we have more on the floor. So we take 1 away. We get 1. Add 10 more. It's 15. So 15 minus 9 makes 6. Now we have 1 minus 4. Aren't our big numbers on the floor? So that's not going to work, is it? So we're going to have to go next door and grab 10 more. So that 7 becomes a 6. Now we have a 1. We've got to add 10 to it. That 1 now becomes an 11. So regroup 700s as 110 and 600. So 600s, 110. So it'll be 11 10s. Now we can subtract 11 minus 4. So 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Now we can do our hundreds place. 6 minus 3 is 3. We subtract the hundreds last. All right, let's practice. All right, number 1, 421 minus 138. Start on the right. 1 minus 8. What's our big number, guys? 8. We have more on the floor, so what do? Go next door and grab 10 more. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 10 equals 11. 11 minus 8. 11. Back up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're at 3. All right, now we have 1 minus 3. Can we do that? No, because our big number is on the floor. So we have to go next door and grab 10 more. That 4 turns into a 3. Now let's add 10 to it. 1 plus 10 equals 11. 11 minus 3. 11. Hop back 3. 1, 2, 3. 8. And then we have 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 283. 283. All right. Number 2. 274 minus 182. Start on the right. 4 minus 2. Can we do it? Our big number is on top. No need to stop. 4 minus 2. 1, 2. It is 2. In the tens place, 7 minus 8. Where's your big number? It's on the bottom. If we have more on the floor, go next door and grab 10 more. 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 minus 8. 9. 17, count back 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 9. And then in the hundreds place, 1 minus 1 is 0. All right, so we don't have to put our 0. It's 92. Number 3. 546 minus 267. All right, start on the right. 6 minus 7. What's our big number? 7. More on the floor. We go next door and grab 10 more. That 4 becomes a 3. Add 10 to it. 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our answer is 9. All right, in the tens place, 3 minus 6. Can we do it? No. Our big number's on the floor. We have to go next door and grab 10 more. So our 5 becomes a 4. 3 becomes a 13. 13 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our answer is 7. And 4 minus 2 is 2. 279. Okay, I want you to try 4 all the way through 15. 4 through 15. I want you to try those today, and then we're going to go over them during our lesson tomorrow. Don't forget, make sure you are circling your bigger numbers so that you know whether you need to regroup or if you can just keep going and subtract. All right, do your best work, and we will go over it again tomorrow.